Is this thing working?
Hello, testing, testing, 1, 2.
Sweet. All right. Gonna head inside the Mako.
I think that's the queue line, or that's the quick line. Quick queue. That's what I was trying to say.
I love the music. I love all the music.
Yeah,
I'll be getting the soundtrack music on my YouTube.
He'll be
back
playing,
at home.
Yeah, he'll be playing the soundtrack music while editing this video.
Yes, probably while editing this video. That's right. I love that they have plenty of fans in the queue line. The ground is actually wet from like all the fans that they've got going. All right, Kelsey, which line? Not the middle, back or front? Let's do back. Look at all the Makos up on the ceiling.
I literally have no idea what to expect. Like, I don't know anything about this ride. Okay, so it starts innocent, you know, and then it gets rowdy later, I'm sure.
All right, we're taking off.
Oh my gosh.
It's pretty high.
We're going up there.
It's pretty high.
I don't know about this. I don't know about this. Oh my god.
Just don't look over the side.
Why is this so intimidating? Like, I've been on roller coasters before. Is it because
It's been a minute.
Is it because we're not like in a car?
It's the music. All right, here we go. Are you good? Are you good? That was great. Okay, we're gonna do it again.
This is what I'm talking about. Like on your side, you have like...
My side, I'm on your side. She's saying she has nothing.
I have nothing. I could literally
How do you feel about that?
I mean, it's a little unnerving.
This ride is great.
It is.
There's so much airtime on this ride. Hey, look, I can see my hotel from here.
Oh my god.
We're as tall as a plane right now. There we are, in all of our glory.
Oh my god.
Yeah, I got some cool merch, some sweet shark stuff. Kyle would love this place. Kyle loves sharks.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Yeah, Kyle loves sharks. So I was like, all right, I want to ride Mako one more time without having to worry about the GoPro or anything like that. Y'all, we did the front row, which we probably should have done with the GoPro, but we rode it 3 times in a row on the front row because there's nobody Nobody
was
else getting on.
Incredible every time.
Yes,
Every
it was. I think earlier I said Pipeline was my favorite. The front row on Mako is my favorite here.
It's top tier.
Yeah, it's probably one of my favorite roller coasters ever. It was just
a big deal, huh?
the whole time you're getting airtime on it. So another cool thing is that, and tomorrow we're gonna see if we have time to go and snoop around a bit, if we even can. But we were able to see the building of Epic Universe.
That's right.
From
the top of Mako.
From the top of Mako, you can see Epic Universe. It does look super cool. One of the most anticipated things to happen travel-wise in a long time.
Yes.
Epic Universe is truly going to be epic. It's going to be epic.